we will take that. We will start with the session. Okay. Okay, students. So let me share the links with you. Firstly, so I have shared a link for live classes. You can check the all batch details there. You can check the syllabus for this course. There is a link for Facebook Live. So we are going to be live on Facebook. Okay. So in case you face any technical on Zoom, you can also watch the live demo on Facebook Live. Then there is our YouTube channel link. So many sessions are fillable there. Okay. So you can go and check it out. Let me go live on Facebook, and I think now we can start. So welcome students, welcome to the demo interaction program. So firstly, I like to invite Gunjan ma'am. Okay, she will be the mentor for this course. So Gunjan ma'am, why don't you give your introduction first?
Okay, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Hello, students. My name is Gunjan Jain, and I'll be your mentor for your level 2 grade 4 exam. I hope that I'm seeing your answers that you were saying that it is harder or tricky. Your level 2 is a little bit tricky or harder than level 1. But yes, actually, your topics are same. Your concepts will be same, but using that concepts, they will ask you the questions that will require more logical and reasoning ability in your test. They will not give you the logical questions that you were getting in level 1. That means 15 questions were based on your mental ability in level 1. But in level 2, you will be having all 50 questions based on your mathematics. Okay. So, and only some of them will qualify level 2. I hope there are some percentage, 25 percentage from your zonal, right, that qualify. So all of you, have you got your result that you have qualified? Okay, so you have got your result that you have qualified. That means you are among that top 5% in your class, I hope. So what we will do a quick revision of the chapters, because you already know that the concept behind that chapters, and we will do some tricky questions or harder questions that you say in the class. And we will pay less time in the revision and more time to more questions. Okay. Is there any problem or any other thing that you want to ask with me? Yes, students, you can write on the chat. 40 on 40 you get. Okay, good. Okay. So I think, sir, you can start with the
Yeah,
PPT.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for the introduction. So students, let me tell you about the course now. Okay, just wait a second. I am sharing the screen. My screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay. So welcome students, welcome to the demo interaction program. This is for grade 4 mathematics level 2 course. So firstly, let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exam. We have Olympiad live classes, and we also have School Plus program. So in School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication and communications written both Vedic maths as well as coding. What else, students? We also offer online CBSE plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 and one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, like SESMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. Now meet the rank holder for session 21-22. So many students in Olympiad Success got international rank last year, and hopefully we will see your faces here, okay, in the coming year. So students, now about this course. So there will be around 20 students in the class, and the classes will be conducted on Zoom. Okay. Now there will be 5 sessions per week. The days will be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Monday and Friday. So for Tuesday, Saturday, class timing will be 5 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. And only for Monday and Friday, class timing will be 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Okay. So the class duration will be 75 minutes. Okay, students. So now what we are going to do in this end, so like it's a level 2 course. So we are going to do like topic wise revision of each and every chapter. And after that, we will discuss questions based on previous year level 2. Okay. Now students, will this with this course, you will all get reading material and practice question, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And you will also get free access to the Olympiad Success platform for level 2 mock test for mathematics. Okay. Now the syllabus link I will share with you in the chat box. The fees for this course is 3,720, and there will be 16 session in this course. Payment link I will share in the chat box. Now the fee include online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of your level 2 question, and like I said, you will get access to the Olympiad Success platform for mock tests and reading content. Okay. Now students, uh, like to join this course, you need a laptop with good internet speed and headphone. And as you already appeared in level 1 exam, so you know like you need to prepare for Olympiad. So for level 2 also, you need to spend approx 2 3 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum and practicing. Okay. Now student, live classes this course are going to start from next week, 23rd of Jan. And currently we having students from 3800 school and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course student. Now Aarti ma'am will give you a tour of Olympiad success dashboard. After that, if anyone have any doubt, query, we will take that. Okay. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir. I can see parent of Om, they are raising their hand. So, sir, I request you to write down your query in the chat section so that we can answer your query once I finish up with this presentation. So let me show my screen. So students, what you have to do is like once you register with us for this course, you would be getting your credentials, that is your email ID and password, and using which you can log into the platform by going to our website, which is olympiadsuccess.com. Now, what you have to do is like you would be landing on this page, the profile page. You have to complete your profile and then go to the live classes section. Here, all the subjects would be appearing for which you have registered. So let's say I'll click Mathematics Olympiad, and all the topics related to Mathematics Olympiad will be appearing. So let's say if I select number system, so the reading material, practice question and answer keys related to that will be displayed. So what you have to do is you have to just click on the respective links to open that particular PDF, right? So let's say if I'm opening the PDF for number systems, so this is here, I can check the details about this particular topic. Similarly, we would be having questions. So practice questions would be available in these PDF. You have to just click them and you can practice from the practice questions given over here. Mark your answers and then finally compare your answers to the answer keys given over here, right? Yeah, so here the answer key opens up. So here you can match your answer key. Now the next thing is the schedule part. So if I click on the view schedule button, the entire schedule will open up. So here, like what we would be taking up in each session. So in session up, we would be covering numerals, number name, number sense. In session 2, there would be a discussion. Session 3, computation operations. So children, you should understand that this is a level 2 course, and here we would not be discussing each and everything in detail. Like we would not be studying the entire topic again, but then yes, we would be brushing up the concepts, and then we would be taking up as many questions as possible for your practice, right? So the entire 16 sessions are displayed over here and what we would be taking up in each of these sessions. Then we have the Zoom meeting ID and password. So here your meeting ID and password will be displayed. Now let me go to the worksheet section. So here you would be getting access to the mock test, level 2 mock test. What you have to do is to just click on this math level 2 mock test. And then these 10 mock tests will appear on your screen. You have to click on the take exam button to start the examination. So these mock tests are kind of real tests only. And from these you can practice for your examination. And then finally, if you want to check your answer keys, what you have to do is just click on the performance tab and click on the view button and your answer key will open up. So you have to just select the subject. So let's say if I select for comprehensive mathematics and for serial number 8, if I would want to view, I'll just click on the view button and my answer key will open up. So that is all about the dashboard. And now if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we would be happy to answer all of them.
Students, do anyone have any doubt, any query? You can write in the chat box. Okay, as we are not getting any response, so I think everything is clear. Okay, let me ask some questions to you students. So can you tell me the days on which we're having the classes? You can write in the chat box. What are the days on which we're having the classes? Do anyone remember? Okay, Adrit answer. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday, Friday. Yes, it is correct. So we're having classes days in a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Correct. Correct, Vivan. Okay, and students, what about the timing? Can you tell me the timing of the classes? It is quite tricky, so you can answer according to the days. Okay, firstly, you can tell me timing for Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. What is the class timing for Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday? Yes, correct, Jashandeep. It is 5 to 6:15 p.m. And what is the class timing Monday and Saturday? Monday and Friday? Correct, Adrit. It is 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Okay, last question. How many sessions are there? And like in how many weeks we are going to end this course? Yes, 16 is correct. No, Vian, we have total 16 session. Okay, in how many weeks we are going to end this course? Okay, it's a maths question. You can answer. 4 weeks. Okay. 2 weeks, 2 days. No, 2 weeks, 2 days is not correct. Yeah, 4 weeks is correct. Like it will take 3 weeks and 1 day. Okay. Do anyone have any query or doubt, or we can start with the session? Start. Okay. Okay. So over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Okay, sir. I think my video is interrupting in between. So,
Uh, no problem, ma'am. I think
okay.
it's all right now.
Okay. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Okay, students. So, in this session, you people are muted, but in the class, you will not be muted. You have to give all the answers whenever I ask on doing your unmute. Okay. But here, because today we are muted, so you have to be hurry up and you have to give your answers on the chat. Okay. And I want the participation of all so that it will be very interactive. Okay, the chapter that we are going to start for the demo will be factors and multiples. Have you done this chapter earlier? How you feel this topic? Is it easy or it is tough? And what are the topics you learned in this chapter? Medium, easy. Okay, easy. Bian saying easy. Okay, okay. Okay, everyone is saying easy, medium. Who is saying it is tough? Okay. Samadarshi, you are saying no? Okay, Rajan sir. Okay, everyone is saying easy. That means you know what are the topics we are going to cover in this. Yes, the topics will be factors, HCF, LCM, divisibility, multiples. Okay, correct. Do you know what are the prime numbers, composite numbers? That is also included in this chapter. Prime number, composite numbers, co-prime numbers. So let's start with factor only. What do you understand by the term factor? Write in one line, what is a factor? Yes, what do you understand by term factor? Okay. Yes, what happened? Yes, no one is giving me answer for factors. What do you mean by factors? Okay, means a part of a fragment. No, Shaurya, I'm asking you about not fractions. I'm asking you the factor. Okay, let me give you a question for this. Find the factor of 63. Find the factor of 63. Can you do it? What are the factor? Okay, factor, a number. Adrit is saying factor is a number. Okay. Which is multiplied by another number gives product. Okay. Factor are the numbers which are fully divisible by its multiples. Okay. 7, 9. Only 7 and 9 are the answers. You have to give me answer to me only, not to everyone. So select your chat such that it should go to me, not to everyone. Okay. Yes, so what are the factors of 63? 7, 9, 3, 21, 7, 9. Are you skipping anything? Okay, so I think I need to tell you what, okay, yes, Adrit is correct. Avarna, did you miss any number? C. Yes. So some of you are giving me the correct answer, but some of you have skipped some of the numbers. So what we have to do now? Do not give your answers on the chat. Now see here. Now to find the factors of any number, what we do? We from 1 to 63. We see that for how many numbers it will be totally divisible. That means in which table it is coming 63. Now for 1 is it 1 will be the factor of 63 or not? That means in the table of 163 will come or not? Yes, yes. So 1 will be the factor of every number, right? So one of the factors is 1. Now 1 into what will give you 63? Can you tell me? 1 into what will give you 63? Correct. 63. That means 1 into 63 will be 63. That means 1 and 63 both are the factors of 63. Right? 1 and 63 both will be the factors of 63. Now you have to see that means from 1 to 63 how many numbers are such that is having in their table as 63. So 1 and 63 both are the factors. I will write 1 and 63 here. Okay, I got two factors of 63, 1 and the number itself. So for every number, the number 1 and 63 will be the factor of that number. Now, if I talk about after 1, the next number is 2. Is in the table of 2, 63 will come? No, so 2 is not a factor of 63. Now let's talk about 3. 3 is a factor of 63 or not? Yes. Avarna is saying yes. Ishan is saying yes. Dhyan saying yes. Yes. So this is correct. That 3 in the table of 3, 63 will come. Now 3 into what will give you 63? Can you tell me? 3 into 21. Correct. So that means 3 and 21 both will be the factors. So we will write 3 here and 21 in the last. In this way, if you are writing, you will not skip any factor. Okay, try to do in this manner. 3 and 21 because 21 after that 21 you will get the next factor 63 only. In between there will be no factor, so you do not need to check any other number. Now after 3, let's check for 4. 4 is a factor? No. 5? 5 will not be factor. Now 6? 6 will be a factor? No. Now 7? 7 will be a factor of 63 or not? Yes. So 7 into what will give you 63? 7 nines are 63. Correct. So we will write 7 here and 9 in the last. Now, see here. 7 and 9. Which number is remaining in between? 8. Right? So is 8 a factor of 63? No. So now we do not need to write any other number. We have already checked 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 63 are the factors. In this way, if you do, you will not skip any factor in between. Okay, so how many total factors we have received? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors are having. What does that mean? That means in the table, 63 will come. Either you can see in this manner, or if you divide these factors, that is 63 by 1, 63 by 3, 63 by 7, 63 by 9, 63 by 21, 63 by 63, then you will not get any remainder. This is totally divisible. Is it correct? Do you have any doubt in this? Now, can you find the factors of 48 with the same manner? Find the factors of 48. Factors of 48. Now, if you do by this method, you will not skip any number. So, first factor will be what? Every time we have the number 1 and the number itself. So, for 48, first number will be 1 and last number will be 48. Now you have to check between 1 and 48 what are those numbers. Correct, Rian? Okay. You can write that also, that how many total number of factors you are getting. Ishan, you have skipped some factors. That's why I'm saying try to do this manner. It will be easy for you. Okay, Vian has given. Avarna has given. Some of you have still missed. Avarna, you have to check. You have skipped one number. Anvi, correct. You have to give the answer to me, not to everyone. No, still some are missing. Avarna. Okay, let's do with the same manner. Now, we know that 1 into 48 will give you 48. So, I have written 1 as well as 48 here. Now, next number after 1 will be 2. Now, 48, if I divide, yes, Jashandeep, correct. Now, if I divide 48 by 2, what I will get? 24. That is 2 into what will give you 48? 2 into 24. So, see, Shaurya, you have missed one number, 2 into 24. So, I will write 2 here and 24 in the last. Okay, now, let's check for 3. 3 into what will give you 48? 3 into 16, correct. So, 3 and 16 both are the factors. So, I get 16 here. Now, after this, what is the next number? 4. So, 4 into what will give you 48? 4 into what will give you 48? Correct, 12. 4 and 12 will be the next number. Now, after that, 5 will not be a factor. Now, 6 into what will give you 48? 8, right. 6 into 8 will be 48. So, I will write 6 here and 8 in the last. Now, between 6 and 8, I have only one number left to check. That is your 7. So, 7 is not a factor of 48 because it is not totally divisible. So, I get all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now, do you have any doubt in this, how to find the factor for any number? If you got this, then do a thumbs up here. in the reactions, you will get the thumbs up sign so that I can get that you all get how to find the factors. Okay, Shaurya, Ishan, Anvi, you are not able to get it? Okay. Okay, Khayan Gupta. Is it clear, Vian? Yes, if anyone is having any doubt in finding the factors, you can raise the hand so that I can see that you are not able to find the factors. Anyone who is not able to understood? All clear. Okay. So factors, if I talk about, you are clear with the definition. One of the property that factors is one will be the factor of every number. Your number itself will be the factor of every number, and one more property is there for factors. Can you tell me? One more property for factors. Yes, what is the one? What is one more property? Can you tell me factors are finite or infinite? Factors are finite or infinite? And what do you mean by this finite and infinite? Yes, correct answer. Vian Avarna, that yes, factors are finite. Finite means that you can count. Now, if I talk about this example also, if I ask you, can you count the number of factors? So yes, factors are finite, you can count the numbers. But if I talk about the multiple, then what do you mean by this multiple? Multiples are finite or infinite? Yes, Vian, correct? Yes, multiples are infinite. Now, what do you mean by term multiple? Multiples are the tables, right? For example, if I ask you what are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 you have to write. Yes, so that will be 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. So we have to write this, right? So that will be 4, 8, 12, then 16, 20, and it will go on to infinite, right? So when two factors are multiplied, together, the result or the product you get will be called as multiple. So this is your multiple, and these two numbers are the factors. Okay, because we can go up to infinite. 4 into 1000, 4 into 2000, 4 into 100,000 will give you something. So we can say that multiples are infinite in nature. Okay, now what are the numbers that will always be multiple? What are the numbers that will always be the multiple? If I ask you the multiple of 4, multiple of 8. Yes, number itself. So if I'm asking you the 4, then 4 will always be multiple and 4 will always be a factor also. So the number itself will be factor as well as multiple of that number. Is it clear? Everyone, do you have any doubt in this? Okay. Do you know how to find the HCF and LCM of any number? Can you find the HCF? Okay, if I talk about HCF, then what is the full form of this HCF? Write the full form of HCF. Yes. Yes, please write the full form of HCF. Yes, everyone knows that it is highest common factor. Now, highest common factor, first you have to find the common factors. Okay, before starting with this, first tell me what are the common factors. So find common factors of 4 and 10. Common factors of 4 and 10. So first what you will do, you will find the factors of 4, you will find the factors of 10, and then you will find the common factors. Okay. Okay. Yes, so common factors if I talk about, see what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4, right? What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 3 will not be factor, 4 will not be factor, 5 will be there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So only these are the factors. Now if I am asking you common factors, then common will be 1 and 2. So common factors are 1 and 2. Now between 1 and 2, which is the highest? 2. So HCF, that is highest common factor between 4 and 10 is 2. So HCF will be 2. Okay, this is your HCF. Okay, now find the highest common factor of 16 and 42. HCF of 16 and 42. HCF of 16 and 42. Find it how to do. Okay, everyone has, okay, some of the students have given me answer. 2. Okay, what are the factors of 16? What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 only, not after that. Yes, so first will be 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, now what are the factors of 42? Write the factors of 42. So that will be 1 into 42 will give you 42. 2 into 24 will give you 42. Now if I talk about 3, then 3 into, sorry, 21. I have written here. So 21. Now 3 into what will give you 42? Yes, 3 into 14. Correct. Now 4 will be factor or not? No. Then 5, 6 into what will give you 42? 7. Right. So 6 and 7 both we received. So we do not need to check now. Now the common factors are 1 and 2, and the highest of them will be 2 only. So LCM will be 2. Now, if I ask you about 2 or 3 or 4 numbers, then this method will be very tricky to write all the common factors and then finding the HCF. So another method that is called your, which method to find the HCF? How you find the HCF? This method is called what? Yes, how to find the HCF? Which, yes, common division, correct. So we can find the method of for finding HCF. We can use common division method. So do you familiar with this common division? So how to do it? First we will write 16 and 42 and we will divide. This is not, this is for LCM, this is for 40. Separately we will do the prime factorization of it. Okay, so for 16, first I will divide it by 2. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now again divide by 2, that will be 4. Again divide by 2, that will give you 2. 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. Now for 42, if I divide, that will be 21. Now this is not divisible by 2, so I will take 3. 3 sevens are 21. Now 7 is divisible by 7 and it will give you 1. Now that means 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. That means common is 2 only, so the HCF will be 2. Is it clear? Is there any doubt in this method? Because you have already read this method, so I'm not paying much attention to it, to how to do it. Is there any student who is not clear how to find that common division? You can raise your hand or write on the chat that this method is not clear. Doubt. Okay, Ishan, do you have doubt or no doubt? Okay, no doubt. Okay, so are you familiar with what 16 said? But 16 multiply 342. Avarna, what do you want to say? Okay, ma'am, no doubt. Okay, the next topic that we are going to study is your LCM. What do you mean by this LCM? What is the full form of LCM? LCM. Least common multiple. Okay, Shaurya, just check your answer again. Sorry, not Shaurya. Sure, yes, check your answer again. Least common multiple, lowest common multiple, both are correct. Now, how to find the LCM of 15 and 45? Can you find what is the LCM of 15 and 45? That means you have to write the multiples of 15 and 45. That means if I write the multiples of 15, then it will be 15, then it will be 30, then 45, then 60 and so on, right? But if I need to find for 45, then 45, then 90, then and so on. Now what is least? That means the minimum of all. Common multiples are here 45, which is minimum. 45 is minimum, so I will write LCM will be 45. Okay, but again this will be a complex method to write all the multiples and check it, right? So what we will do, which method we will use? Which method we will use now? Yes, Ishan, correct. Now, which method we will use to find the LCM? Short division. Okay. That means again prime factorization we will do and we will do in common. So 15 and 45 both are divisible by which number? 15 and 45 both are divisible by which number? 15 and 45, which is the lowest number? Yes, 5, correct. So 5 and divided by 50, it will give you question 3. 5 and divided, 45 and divided by 5, this will give you question what? 45 divided by 5. Question is, what I will get here? What I will write here? Correct, 9. 5 nines are 45. Now both the numbers are divisible by which number? 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 1, because I already got 1, so I don't need to pay attention here. I will see 3. 3 is divisible by 3, 1 and 1. So now to find the LCM, what you have to do? You have to just multiply these numbers. So 5 into 3 into 3. Most of the students do like this. In case 5, you can write 3 also. They start with the lowest number and then go. Okay. So 5 into 3 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 into 3, that is equals to 45. So LCM we get as 45. Is there any problem in this? Should I give you one more question for this, or we should do word problems? Yes, students, what do you want? Word problems or one more question for LCM? Word problems. Okay. Let's see these questions are clear to you or not. I'm sharing you the screen. You have to tell me, is it visible? Yes. Slide is visible to you? Okay. First question. Yes. Good. I am a multiple of 70. I am between 300 and 500. I am 20 more than a multiple of 100. Who am I? Okay, Adrit. Yes, correct. Adrit, correct. Vian, correct. Yes, students, give your answer. Ishan, correct. Vivan, correct. Khayan, correct. No, Khayan, check your answer again. Jashandeep, correct. Avarna, correct. Yes. So students, it is given that it is a multiple of 70. So can you write the multiple of 70? What are the numbers that are multiple of 70? So 7 you can write, if you know the table of 7, you can write for 70 also. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 140 will be the answer. 7 threes are 21. So 210 will be the answer. Then what are the other factors? 280, 350, then 420, then 490. Okay. Then after that, yes, 490 after that. Yes, 560, correct. Now these are the multiple of 70. Now I am between 300 and 500. So that means all the numbers, this will be cut. So 300 to 500. So we are left with only 3 options here. Okay, now it is saying I am 20 more than a multiple of 100. So multiple of 100, that means it will be what? 100, 200, 300, 400. So I want between 300 and 400. So 400 we will take, right? So 400, which is 20 more than 400. So 20 more than 400 will be 420. So between these 3 numbers, I get only one option, that is 420. Is it clear? This question is clear, or who is having any doubt, they can ask. Easy peasy or tough? This was easy? Yes, easy, clear. Okay, next question. Yes. Alex purchased a box of pen from a stationery store. The box contains fewer than 60 pens. The pen can be packed into packets of 4 or 7 each. What is the maximum number of pens that could possibly in the box? Now, please tell me which operation you have to do. What you need to find here? First, try to eliminate the options. Try to eliminate the options. That means which cannot be the answer. Now it is already saying fewer than 60 pence. So any option that is greater than 60 will not be answer, right? So that 66 will not be an answer. 62 will not be an answer. Okay, now we have to check for only two options, that is 42 and 56. Now what we will do? Yes, some of you have given me the correct answer, B. B 56 is the correct answer. Now what we have to do? 4 and 7. That means it should be a multiple of 4 as well as multiple of 7, right? So multiple here it is given. Multiple means what you have to find? LCM, right? Now what is the LCM of 4 and 7? Which number will have 4 and 7 as a factor? So correct answer 4 and 7. 4 into 7 will be, yes, 56, correct. Now 4 and 7 will be 28. Now the multiples of 28 will be, or you have to check which number is divisible by 4 as well as 7. So 42 divided by 4 will be divisible or not divisible? Yes, so factors of 28 will be 28 and then 56. Now if you see 56, yes, so 42, 4 is not divisible by 4, but it is divisible by 7. But 56 is divisible by 4 and 7 both. So 56 will be the correct answer. Okay, any doubt in this? Okay, next question. Yes. Mike works for an event management company and went to a party store to get some party decorations. Where balloons are sold in bags of 20, party banners are sold in bags of 10, and package contains 8 air pumps. How many bags of balloon he should buy? Here you have to find LCM or HCF. First give me answer about this. You have to find LCM or HCF. No, Jashandeep. Correct, Avarna. Vivan, correct. So what is the answer? Shaurya, correct. C. Some of you got confused when we have to find the HCF and when we have to find the LCM. See, if it is an optional question, that means options are given to you, and these options are having value less than the numbers. See, here the numbers are 20, 10, and 8. 20, 10, and 8. And these options are less than these numbers. Then if it is less, then you have to find HCF. If it is more or greater than the numbers, that means greater than 20, 10, or 8, then you have to find the LCM. Okay, here the options are available 2, 3, 4, 5, which are less than 2, 8, 28, and this. So that means you have to find the HCF. So find the HCF of 20, 10, and 8. What answer you will get? A, correct. 2 will be the HCF. So correct answer is 2 bags. Or you can see which number is totally divisible by 20, 10, and 8. Okay. Here if we see 3, 3 is not, 3 cannot divide 10. Now if I see 4, 4 cannot divide 10. If I see 5, 5 cannot divide 8. So 2 is the number that can divide 20, 10, and 8. So every time in HCF and LCM, just check which number can totally divide these numbers. Okay. Any doubt in this question? Should I proceed to the next question? Yes. Try to give the answer for this question. Choose the correct option according to the following statement. First option is true or false. See, in all the options, it is given as true. So do not waste your time in doing the first option, because in all the options, true is given. So we will not check that. Now, check for B, second part. 25 is a factor of 625. It is true or false? And eliminate the other options. Okay, Avarna. 25 is a factor of 625. How can we check? If 625 divided by 25 will give you no remainder, then it is a factor. Yes, I know that 25 into 25 will give you 625. So that means 625 and is 25 is a factor. So this is true. Okay, so we will eliminate this option. This is not true. Okay, now 2, 4, 6 are factors of 24. Yes. So this is also true. So which option we can eliminate? True, true, true. 3 true we get. So either answer can be A or B. So B will not, A or D, B will not be an answer. Now 2 is the smallest factor of 8. Is it true? Which is the smallest factor of every number? Which is the smallest factor of every number? 1 is the smallest factor, right? 1 is the smallest factor of every number, not 2. So this is false. So true, 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 false I get. And so this is also eliminated. So correct answer is option A. Okay. Any doubt in this question? Clear? Yes, option A is the correct answer. Yes. Next question. Yes. Now you have to find HCF or LCM. Just check the options and the numbers given in the question. Yes, Adrit, you have a doubt. Yes, what is your doubt? Can you type here? Other students can do this question. Avarna, correct? Wait, okay, let me check. 3 is a factor of 15. This is correct. But 3 is not divisor of 15. Yes. So divisor 3, what will be 3? 15 divided by 3. What 15 will call and what 3 will call? Divisor and dividend. So this is true. I hope this is clear, Adrit. 15 will be divisor and dividend will be 3. Yes, we have to find the LCM here in the next question. See, Harry works as a gym coach and requires Nikki to swim every 6 days, runs every 4 days, cycles every 16 days in order to stay fit. If she follows her coach advice and completes all 3 activities, how many days will she complete all 3 activities on the same day? So if she is doing on the 6th day, so swimming will be on which day she will do? 6. That means you have to find the multiples here. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and so on. Now, if she is doing running, then after every 4 days she has to do. That means 4, 8, 12, then yes, right? Now, if she is doing cycling, Then after 16, every 16 days she has to do. That means 16, then 32, and so on. Now what you have to find, in which day she will complete all three activity. So you have to check which is the lowest common multiple here. So you can do by 6, 4 and 16. You have to find the LCM of this. Okay, 42 you are getting answer. That is correct. You can check by that also that which number will totally divide 6, 4 and 16. Okay, yes. So 40, the answer you got is correct. No 42, no 48. 42, yes. 48, what will be the correct answer? Do I need to tell you? Okay, if I do by this 3, 2, 8. Now by 2, 3, 1, 4. Now again I will take 3 here. So this will be 1, 1, 4. Now you can take 2, 1, 1, 1. Oh, sorry, 1, 1, 2. Then 2 again, 1, 1, 1. Now you have to multiply. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. And 24 2s are 48. So check your answer again. Okay. So correct answer is D, 48. Okay. Any doubt in this? No? Okay. Now, again, with only seeing the options, can you find, we have to find the HCF or LCM. The options are less than the given numbers. So we have to find the HCF. Again, which number will totally divide 35, 56 and 63? HCF, correct. You have to find HCF. Which number will totally divide 35, 63 and 56? Okay. See, this cannot, if I take 5, 5 cannot be possible with 56 and 63. So eliminate this. 4, if I talk about, then it should be an even number here. 63 is given, so this is not correct. Now 6, if I talk about, then 35 is not possible. So 6 is not the answer. Now for 7, it is coming 35, 56, 63. It's stable. So 7 marbles will be the correct answer. Okay. Just save your time, because what happened in level 2, you know the concept, but you pay more time in solving the question, right? You have to just eliminate the options to save the time. Okay. Everyone knows how to do it, but only the problem with level 2 is the timing. Okay. Next question. This is the last question. We are already out of the time, and I will end the meeting after this. Yes, what we have to do? This will be a HCF or LCM? Okay, HCF correct. Now, which option will totally divide 64, 56 and 40? In which table all will come? 10 is possible? No. Because if it is 10, then 56 and 64 is not possible. Okay. Now, if I talk about 5 also, then 64 is not possible. So 5 inches is not correct. Now, 7. In 7 tables, 64 will come, 56, and what about 40? So 40 will not come. So this is also not possible. Now I'm left with only one option, 8. Now 8 will have in the table 64, 56, and 40. Yes? So 8 will be the correct answer. See, now without doing the prime factorization of all three numbers, I have find out the answer. So it will save your time. Yes, B is the correct answer. Okay, now any doubt up to here, students? Oh, my screen is locked. Okay, so how you find the session? Are you able to get everything? Oh, Kayan did not like the session. Is it a smiley, or I don't get your emoticons? Okay, very good, very interesting. Okay, Kayan. Okay, so whatever be your decision, okay, you can tell to the teacher, to the Rajan sir. I'm ending the meeting. Good to see you in the class. Okay, bye everyone. Any doubt? Okay, bye bye.